Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use an ARDO single pump set. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, leave your thoughts in the comments, share this video, and let's get started. We're going to take the white valve and insert it into this portion of the breast pump like this, and take the silicone cap into the top part of the pump and cover it up into the bottle. Take up the cover with a cord and connect it into the pump itself like so, and go ahead and take the cord and plug it towards the head, and then connect it to a power source and begin to adjust. Be sure to adjust the vacuum and the cycles according to your own tolerance. The vacuum is the suctioning power, and be sure to adjust it to your tolerance. And the cycle is the frequency at which the pump sucks. You know, it shouldn't be painful or uncomfortable. Be free to reduce it or adjust it depending on how you feel. When you're done, you can always store your milk in this cover and cover it up like this and put it away in your fridge, and that's it. Thank you.